Hey brothers, how you guys doing today? I haven't made a video on our activated charcoal face wash yet. Just wanted to kind of share it with everybody. We launched it a few weeks ago. We're getting great reviews on it. You can see those on our website. And this is it has a essential oil blend of grapefruit. And it's very refreshing, especially when you get out of the shower in the morning, you wake up, very refreshing feeling on your skin. Just wanted to show everybody the consistency of it. So it is made out of activated charcoal. See right here. And you add water to it. Lathers up very well. You don't need a lot. You can experiment with the amount that you need, but a nickel size would probably do. As you can see, it lathers up great and spreads really great on your face. It's very simple to use. All you do is wet your hands, wet your face, rub it in a circular motion. Make sure you get it in really good. You don't have to use a lot of pressure. You get your forehead, your neck really good. I usually do my cheeks. The activated charcoal will help unclog your pores, clean your hair follicles, and it is very good. I usually get it into my cheeks really good. And then you just simply wash it off. Recommend following it up with our face moisturizer. Sometimes activated charcoal, if you use it a lot, or if your skin's not used to it, it can dry out your skin, but your skin will get used to it after a while. The moisturizer will put that moisture back into your skin. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. You can find the activated face wash on our website, along with our moisturizer. And yeah, have a great day, guys.